Have you ever stumbled upon a website that seemed too good to be true? Or websites that have imitated major banks or government websites effortlessly, and SMS is doing the same? In fact, fraudulent websites and fraud SMSs have cost people over 10,000 crores in India last year. But what if there was a way to protect yourself from these frauds during this explosion of digitization? Our app helps mark URLs and SMSs as scam or fraudulent real-time on the phone, something that no other app does, and also detects insecure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and malware apps which can steal your credentials. You can also get notifications from your local law enforcement ahead of Google News of the trends happening in your state. And the best part, we're a startup charging a nominal fee to keep our systems running, so we don't have to show any ads or sell your data. Rest easy knowing that you're protected by the best. Download our app now. Protect your money and digital identity.